Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shivali, and today's video we will learn how to add PWM1 module in a existing PWM0 module. So some customer and audience asked me how to add two module in a single project. So let's get started. I am sharing. Share. So guys, I have already downloaded M031 BSP master. You can download from note on GitHub page. This is our node on GitHub page. Here is the some family like M0, M23, M33, M4, M55 family. And here new micro 801, 8051 family. MPU family also available, new maker platform and some tools. This is our node on GitHub page. So I am using this family M0. So in the M0, I am using M031 microcontroller, M031. So I have already downloaded the BSP. You can download from the node on GitHub page as well as node on website. So this is your node on BSP support package. So in this BSP folder, you can see the sample code. In the sample code, there are two type of a examples code. One is the register base and other one is the standard base. If you want to use the register base, then you can select register base. So in the register base, PWM output waveform. So in the kill, you can use another tool also, just IAR supported and in the Eclipse support and kill also. But I am using kill because Node has provide free license for all family microcontrollers. So PWM output waveform we are going to open. You need to wait for some time. So this is the PWM output waveform example code. So in this code you can see in left hand side the files. This is library folder and this is man.c file. So in this code I have this is unit function and what need to call in this function and how to add the pin. This is PV multi-function pin. These are 5 pin used for PWM group 0 to 5 means 6 channel. So I want to add PWM1 module channel 0. So how to add in this existing code? First way we are going to compile. Code is compiling. So now as you can see here the PWM channel 0 on PB5, PB4, PB3, PB2 and PB0. So these are the PWM channel, PWM 0 group and channel 0, channel 1, channel 2. But now I want to add one more channel from PWM 1 group. Now this is our new tool pin configurator. So it is available on Node on GitHub page as well as Node on website. Also you can select the pin mapping and directly run on NewCat. It is very easy to use. So now I am going to select PWM. So you can see here PWM group 1 and channel 0. So I want to add PWM 1 uh, code in existing PWM 0 group. So for this, what you need to add? So guys, first you need to enable the clock, and PWM PCLK clock. This is for UART. Reset PWM 0 module. These are the pin configuration. Here the central analyze function. Here P skiller set 90% duty cycle, and this is the time period. This is for channel 0, PWM 0, channel 0, PWM 1, channel 1, channel 2 divided by 1, PWM 0 divided by 1. So you can use prescaler. Channel 4 up to channel 5. Okay. So first we need to enable PWM 1, and uh, so you can select here PWM, change from PWM 0 to PWM 1, enable PWM 0. You can change here also, and you can copy this function and paste. Also you can select here PWM1, PWM1. So it came to error. So we need to check. Control Z. So you can select and go to the definition. In the definition, you need to check the clock. So here, copy and paste. Copy and paste. So, so this you can select here PWM1. Also, this is for PWM reset. PWM1, PWM1. Change PWM 0 to PWM1. This is for reset. Now come to my GPM multifunction pin. In the multifunction pin, you can copy and paste here. But we need PWM1. Now check the PWM1. PC 5. So change B to C. PC C C5, and remaining code we need to delete. This one also we need to delete. Also this. So here PWM1 and also same here. The error already removed. So, so this is for PWM1 and channel 0. So this is the pin mapping for PWM0. Now come to the centralized function. So you can copy, paste, and one also for PWM1 as a line. After as a line is because this is for 20 to 40 kilowatts, and you can paste here after start. I'm going to paste here. So this is for PWM1 channel 0, and the frequency, this is for 90% duty cycle and 240 kilohertz frequency. After that you can use output. This one is for output. So here you can change 0x01 and copy these three lines. This is enable output for PWM 0 and enable counter synchronous start function for PWM 0 channel 0 to 5, and this one is start PWM. So copy this function and this, and change here. So sorry, here also you need to change PWM1, and here also you can change if you are using 001. Also you can delete this, and we are using 001. Here also this is for 5 channel, but we need here one channel 0x01. After this, after adding, this is the add all PWM1 to module in PWM0. So now total 2 PWM group in single projects. Now compile the code. So as you can see here, code is compiled successfully. Error 0 and 1 0. So you can add 2 group in a single project. There are some changes. Also, if you want to use in the GitHub page, in the page you can select M031 family I'm using right now. Sample code. In the sample code you can select register base. In registers there are many examples. In the examples you can select here PWM output waveform and PWM output. This is the vendor sample. It's open here, so you can easy to copy paste the code. from these two in your project, you can see. So guys, thank you for watching.